No. We're done. Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Hey guys, it's okay. You're the one that suggested we go back.
I popped my top.
Wait, are we gonna actually?
I believe it's behind the head. The tushy's on the ground. Behind the tushy would be on the ground behind the tushy. Then behind the tushy.
Oompa Loompas. She takes these bloopers from the intro and puts them in here. She like cuts it out.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. This is Kaylee. You should know her. This is Emily. You probably don't know her. Unless you know her, then you know her. She's pretty cool. Kaylee, she's alright. Today we are going to be making some slime because we want to.
Oh, she's so good.
And now they're being mean, so this is the last time doing the intro. So without further ado, I'm just gonna stop talking so we can make slime. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We found some shaving cream and some shampoo, all for a big value of $2.60. That's a lot. I can't. So she put this girl that we watched the video, she put the shampoo in first. Here you go.
Okay.
Put it all in.
Okay.
All of it.
All of it?
All of it.
Not all of it yet. But please, most of it.
Okay, don't go yet.
But it looks like Jello.
How do you get the shaving cream out?
You have to take the cap off.
Is
You
it
fool.
Tristan?
No, just rip it off.
Oh, it's a cap.
Okay, wait, hold on, can we? Okay, and then
You get to squeeze in the rest of the shampoo and then I get to mix it, okay?
Wait,
guess what? Get more of that shampoo in this. More of that.
guess what? Get more shampoo. Like all of it.
Katie, what the heck?
Look at the shampoo bottle.
More.
Kelly. Wait, look though. It's kind of like slime.
Except it's kind of not, buddy. Stop holding my hand.
Okay, at this point, we don't really know what's going on, so we're gonna add this because I think it works.
I think you're wrong. Just dump in the whole ding dang bottle. I'm desperate for slime. Oh, okay.
Don't touch me.
You stay away from my child. You stay away from me. And are you trying to throw hands? That's what I'm doing.
You ready? I'm kind of scared. This probably isn't gonna do anything.
That's
a
okay.
lot.
Oh, I mix. Emily.
What happened to these jobs? Is it working? Probably not. Is it?
You have to add more. Get the spoon out.
Oh no, why? Oh shoot, my mom's calling me.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Failed experiment.
I have a question.
Okay.
What is dubstepping music?
Oh my!
It's like, you know, the band Skrillex? Or the group Skrillex? What's the name of the band Skrillex? Skrillex? Why? Because I want to know what the music is. Why? Because I want to know. Okay, well just listen to Skrillex. They're dubstep, I think. Who? Skrillex! Who? Skrill-X! Real X? Skrill-X! Skrillex! Skrillex?
Please tell me that was recording.
Yeah. It was.
Nice. She said, "What's dubstepping music?"
Soft. I just kind of like playing at it at this point.
Salt.
What?
She put salt in it.
Oh, go get salt. How much salt did she use? A lot? Like a lot? Because, well, let's just start with that. And then see what happens. You think it's gonna do anything? Oh my Lanta.
Put it in freezer.
We need to put it in the freezer?
Yeah, for 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh. we should have watched that
We should have
video.
just watched the video.
Okay, well, what's in the freezer?
Get the spoon.
Not everything works fine.
Are you
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
What if I were like, oh my god,
Emily, no.
Emily! Emily! Oh no! How many times have I told you, don't put the bag on your head? So cornstarch? Okay.
Say no really loud right now. Well, not loud, but
No.
no, like mean it.
No.
Like that?
How do I make it do the stoppy stop?
There's a button up there. Nope. Yep. So I was editing this video and I realized I didn't make an outro for it. So here's my outro. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. It was a complete fail. The slime didn't even end up being slime. And it was just foam stuff that I ended up throwing away. And yeah, it kind of sucked. And so that's about it for this video. I'm sorry it was like long and confusing and really unorganized. And sure to like, comment, subscribe. Come back next week for another video and watch my other videos. Bye. What's up guys? Welcome to my outro. Thank you if you made it this far into the video. I'm here to tell you that if you click in this general area, you can subscribe to me, and if you click on these videos over here, you can watch them. I strongly advise that you do. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.